What if I told you there's an airdrop going on right now that is going to allow you to be part of one of the biggest innovations in the DeFi space? Today, we're talking about the Liquorice airdrop because this is going to be something that is absolutely mind-blowing when it comes to market makers, when it comes to liquidity providers, and when it comes to solvers in the DEX spaces. So without further ado, this isn't financial advice, but today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can make the most out of this massive airdrop from Liquorice. So this is Liquorice, and what these guys do is they basically connect people from various different parts of the blockchain to essentially allow for a very smooth transaction to go through. So we can see here we've got the regular trader, they'll put in an order, then we have the solvers, these would be things like Uniswap and 1inch, then we've got the market maker that's basically doing all the quotes and doing all the trading for everyone. And then on the right hand side here, we can see we have the liquidity provider. Now these guys provide the unifying layer offering off-chain service, settlement functions, and lending pools, to name three of them. And yeah, these guys are basically going to make the entire blockchain space far more efficient than it is right now. Right now, it's a bit of a mess out there between a lot of these parties. So having this unified layer to actually make everything more efficient is going to be massive for the crypto space. Now, these guys are not a small project. They raised 1.2 million last year in their pre-seed fundraising round, and the people that backed them are the same people that backed 1inch and other big projects in the crypto space. So getting involved with their airdrop is going to be something that is massive. So let's talk about that airdrop and exactly how you can get involved with it. Very easy to do. Simply click the link in the description and then you'll be led to Guild XYZ. Now this is a very popular site for doing tasks and getting rewards for it, so don't worry about that. But we can see here that yes, there will be multiple levels to this airdrop depending on how much you interact with their socials or join their community, or really just get involved with Liquorice as a whole. So this will be done by a leaderboard, and then obviously the people on the leaderboard that do the most will earn the most from the airdrop. If we actually go over to Guild XYZ/Liquorice, we can see all of the levels here that we're going to go through. So today, let's talk about exactly what you need to do here. So first of all, you've got to connect to your Discord account. That account must be older than 1 month. This is just to deter bots and stuff like this. And then you will get that first role and get 10 points towards this airdrop. And that's how you get the Sugar Spark role. But you can get the Sweet Crumb role by simply connecting your Arbitrum wallet and having at least one transaction on there. That's going to get you another 5 points here towards this airdrop. And now if we go down, it's a very similar trend here. They want everyone to connect their socials and interact with them, boosting engagement and therefore pushing the project further. This is pretty normal and yeah, a great way to earn money for free. So we can see here, the next one is Candy Bud, and that is going to be following their X, liking the posts that they link to on X. And then yes, from that point, you are basically going to get the 20 points towards that. After that, we have Honey Drop, and yeah, you basically just need the Honey Drop role in the Liquorice server, and the way you do that is inviting 3 friends to the Discord server. Super easy to do. Okay, you could probably find 3 Discord friends that are similar to you, looking for airdrops and doing stuff like this. Yeah, you could probably do that quite easily, and for that, you're actually going to get 200 points, which is a massive increase compared to all of the other levels. Next, we have the Syrup Root role, and all you got to do is have this little emoji in your username on X. And all you got to do is have this emoji in your username on X. You're also going to want to have this in your bio, the Liquorice HQ in your bio, and have the Candy Bud role on the Liquorice server. So Candy Bud was obviously one of the higher ones, and if you have that, then yeah, you're going to be applicable for this next one to get another 40 points. Now, if we scroll down, we have the Caramel Petal, and yeah, this is going to be super easy as well. All you got to do is join them on Telegram, then follow the founder on X. All of this is available on the right-hand side, as you can see here. And for all of these tasks, yeah, there are just links to them. So super simple, super easy to get the most out of this airdrop. Then we have SweetStem, and all you got to do for that is essentially go to their website and then complete the learner role requirements. Super easy, right? All you got to do is read and learn about the project, and then once you've done with that, you're going to be earning 160 points here. Then we've got Sweetwood, which is a very similar requirement in which you have to read the Liquorice docs. Once you've done that, it's 320 points. So you can see how easy it is, guys, where you can earn massive amounts of points here, get higher up on that leaderboard, and actually earn more from this airdrop. But if you're looking for 500 points and the golden syrup roll, all you got to do is invite 10 friends to the Liquorice Discord, and then you get the 500 points. So yeah, we've got many of these roles here, and the tasks are super simple here, guys, right? So Candy Blue, for example, simply liking an X post. We've got Nectarvine, which will be reposting something on X. We've got Crystal Cane, which will be liking another X post. And the further you go down on this list, the more points you get. As you can see here, for Liquorice Tree, which is basically a retweet, you're going to get 5,000 points here. So that's fantastic. If you go through, you complete all of these tasks here, guys. One, you're going to be helping the project succeed. And two, you're going to be earning from the airdrop. So that's going to be massive. And I do think this project has a lot of potential. So in conclusion, if you want to get involved with this airdrop, the tasks are really simple. Simply click the link down below and then get started. Complete those tasks. Super easy, just social tasks, guys. And if you can get that done, you're going to have a fantastic time in this airdrop, and you're going to be helping this community grow and this fantastic innovation on DeFi grow massively. And being a part of this early could result in major rewards. So that is going to be the video. Definitely check this out in the description. Drop a like on it, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.